The EASA regulations stipulate that protective breathing equipment, known as PBE, be available for all crew members. In this lesson, we will look at the equipment used to comply with this regulation. For the flight crew, the requirement can be met from the flight crew supplemental oxygen system. However, this is not portable, and additional portable PBE is often available on the flight deck. Each cabin crew member must have portable PBE available for their use. The regulations state that a portable PBE unit must also be available adjacent to each required hand fire extinguisher. Protective breathing equipment must be able to protect the eyes, nose and mouth of the wearer, and provide breathing gas for a minimum period of 15 minutes. This protection can be provided using a first aid oxygen bottle with a full face mask. But more often it is provided by smoke hoods, a typical example of which is the Draeger Oxcrew hood. However, there are a number of different types of hood in use, and you should familiarize yourself with the hoods being used on your aircraft. The smoke hood is stored in a vacuum package inside a lightweight, rigid container. An installation bracket allows the container to be fixed at an appropriate location on board the aircraft. The donning instructions are shown on the case. The smoke hood consists of a heat-protecting hood and a mask, with an integrated speech transmitter. The chest bag part of the hood contains a small chemical oxygen generator and a breathing bag connected to a cartridge which absorbs carbon dioxide and humidity and produces oxygen. This forms a closed-loop breathing system. Once the hood is on the head, a tag on the bottom of the chest bag is pulled to initiate the oxygen production process.